hola, bienvenidos. As you guys can see from the title, today we are doing our makeup rehab series. Today is the update for the month of September. What did I buy? What did I hit pan on? What did I use up? I'm very surprised, you guys. I'm very bad at predicting this series because I'm thinking I'm doing one thing and I do the total opposite every month. So I have my products all in front of me. I want to share with you guys where we stand. You guys know that we have this month and next month, and then we are done this series, and I am still contemplating on whether I'm going to bring it back next year or not. A lot of you guys do want me to. I let me think about the rules before I do, because I know some people say I'm making it too easy, but some people want to make this super hard, and I'm not doing this series to torture myself. So I'm not doing it extremely hard. I'm not forcing myself to do this with extreme rules because that's not necessary for me specifically. So anyway, we're here to listen to what I purchased and what I used up and what I hit pan on. So if you're interested, stay tuned, my friends. If you're new, Alejandra, I go by Alex, eyeshadow enthusiast with a Dasher Project Pan. I don't know where that song came from. If you want to see that on your feed, subscribe and join us. And now let's get on with this series. All right, you guys, so this is the series where I keep myself accountable for the things that I am bringing into my channel. Unanimously, you guys wanted to see how what I purchased this year and how did they do? Do I still have them? Do I still not? Do I use them? Did I even use them? Did I bother with them? So I literally pulled out everything that I purchased and I have it in a basket already, and I'm going through everything to get my thoughts through, because obviously some things I purchased way in like springtime and I may have forgotten about them. So I am going to do that. I think I'm going to do that in December, but I'm going to do this. I'm going to close this series out a little bit earlier in December just so we can get to it, because I know that the last 2 weeks of December, like after Christmas, we are in chill mode. So anyway, that's not here or there. You're here to hear how I did this month, this past month in September. So September, just an overview, September was obviously the first month the kids are back in school. I had to get to a new routine. So let's move on to the purchases that I did this month, because I did purchase a thing and I only purchased one thing. Oh my goodness, I am so proud of myself. Like, you guys, seriously, I am patting myself on the back. There's a lot of things. Now, this month, I did already purchase one thing. I'm contemplating on the second one. Just doing my thing, just taking my time on stuff. I really am. But there are certain things I do want to do videos on for you guys, so that's why I did buy them. But the thing that I purchased was the Natasha Denona Dream Palette. You guys, I did a review on this. I did a palette bingo. I actually have this in a project pan right now. So it's getting a lot of use and I'm truly enjoying it. You're seeing this video this week. So next week, I have my first wedding, and then the following week I have a second wedding. So you know this is going to get pulled out even more. I'm very excited because it is exactly what I was expecting and I didn't feel like I wasted my money. I want to make sure that my purchases are going to the right places. So as far as things that I want to have in my collection, and this, love it, love it, love it. More so, I love Natasha Denona for her formula, because I know I can depend on her at any time of the year. So yes, if you guys want to see those videos, I'll link them up in the iCard. This is the only purchase I got. I forgot to tell you guys what we started with. See, my mind is everywhere. My mind is everywhere. We started out with 39.5 credits from last month. So I am taking away 1 credit because I purchased one thing this month. And that is a -1, obviously. So we're at 38.5. I don't think I even purchased any replacements either. Yes, I did. I purchased 1 replacement, you guys, and you're going to see the empty in here. So it's a true replacement. I had nothing in that category, and now I have 1 again in that category. So I did make another purchase, but it was a replacement. So let's move on to the empties now that I have set that up. First thing I emptied out was this IT Cosmetics Hello Plus Lashes. This is a mini size, and you guys, I actually like this mascara. I didn't think I would like it, but I actually did like it. Now it's a little bit flaky, and that's why I ended it. Once the mascara starts to get clumpy and super flaky, where I have long lashes, so when I blink, if my lashes start to stick together, I know that mascara is starting to dry up. If I see flakiness, it's starting to dry up. If the edges of my lashes, because they are longer on the edges, like my lashes are naturally wispy, like the wispy lashes, that's how mine are. So the edges are a little bit longer. So they do touch my bottom lashes, and if they start to clump up, that's how I know my mascara is just frustrating and annoying, or I have like flakes going into my eyeball. Don't like that either. So that's where this was. But I used it and I really liked it. I didn't think I would. And for the longest time, I swore this was a Maybelline lipstick. I mean, a Maybelline mascara. I really thought it was, but it's an It Cosmetics one. So that's a first empty that I have, and I'm bringing in 1 point. Then I finished this liner. This is the LA Girl eyeliner in this blue shade. I can't remember what the color was. As you guys know, I've said it already. I'm going to say it again for those that do not know. My daughter, 2 of my kids actually are in soccer, but one of them is a girl, and the girls love to write on themselves. So they're using my eyeliners for that. So I finished this eyeliner by allowing them to write on themselves. So that's the first one. And the other one that they ended up using up was the purple one. So I don't remember what the color of this, I think this was Vivid. So both of these got used up in that sense. I did get use out of these. These were not brand new, just given to them. Like all of my eyeliners are used. So any of them that they are using, I'm not giving them to them brand new. I did get some use out of them. So these 2 are finished and they are coming out of my collection. So that's 2 more credits I'm bringing back in my collection. And the final thing that I used up, and Lord have mercy, this took forever to use. And this is my replacement that I already purchased, and I'm currently using it because I cannot live without it. I'm going to be so mad if they completely get rid of this, but I don't think they will because they added new shades. That is the NARS Cream Bronzer in Laguna. This was a gift from my friend Lisa. You guys, I didn't clean this out. Like, this is exactly how I emptied it out. You can see that it's still dirty. I emptied this completely out. This took me about a year and a half to use up. I love this. I use this every single day I do my makeup. I am wearing it today, my replacement one. How I use it is to kind of help my bronzer to stay on for the rest of the day, and to help my foundation, because the 2 foundations that I do have in my collection were both sent to me for free. So I didn't choose the shades, and they're both a tad bit too light for me. So I use this kind of product to help to, darken up my foundations instead of buying another foundation. I just find this to be a little bit easier. I use this a little bit heavier in the summer because my foundations are obviously 2 to 3 shades lighter, but this dries down matte and it is so flawless on the skin. You can't even tell that I have it on, and it doesn't look extra heavy and cakey as a foundation would if I were to apply a mixture of 2 foundations. So I'm very happy. I have replaced this. So this is another credit that I am bringing back into my collection because I did finish that up. All right, guys, so that means I am getting back 4 credits. So we are at 38.5, adding 4 credits. We are at 42.5 credits. We haven't been in the 40s in a while. That's because I'm not buying that much. Last category is pans. So let's get on to the pans. I only have 1 pan this month, you guys. I've mentioned before that I am kind of slowing down on my project pan stuff. I'm taking it easy. I always take it easy around the month of November and December. So I've only have 1 pan. So I'm spoiler alert for one of my project pans that I am finishing up this month. And I was able to hit pan on this shade right here called El Rey, which is a really pretty, it was very beautiful inner corner highlight and a nice topper. So that's only 0.5 credits bringing back into my collection, which makes it exactly 43 credits this month. 43 credits. That's all. That's all. You guys are probably like, that's a ton. So I basically I brought in 1 new product. I used up 4 and I hit pan on 1. This was a slow month for me, but the product that took forever was this, and this is an accomplishment all on its own. I had help with the liners, and the mascara is really easy. The pan was in a project pan, so that makes it easy. Now I have, like I mentioned, purchased something this month. I may do a second purchase this month. Next month is Black Friday. It is Black Friday. It is the season where a lot of things go on sale. A lot of brands are going to have sales. So these 43 credits may dwindle down a lot. I have been saving my points. I have been saving my money, my budget to be able to go ahead and take advantage of some sales. So Next month may not be this easy, but that means in December, I take it easy. I do take it easy in December because November is the month where I actually hone down and get stuff. I don't expect to get anything at the VIB sale. I really don't care to purchase a Sephora. I find better deals on the websites of the brands themselves or in other ways of doing it. So I don't think I will. So just giving you guys a heads up. There's nothing really that I want that is at Sephora that I can't get somewhere else. So that is where we stand. I am 50-50 right now whether I'm going to do this project can. I just got to think about the rules. And I know a lot of you guys have given me your opinions. So I'm taking them all into consideration, even the ones that I don't care for, but I am considering them all. And I will let you guys know by the end of the year if this is coming back next year. I know a lot of you guys are having fun with this. And I am excited to share with you guys all of my purchases. So that is coming up as well, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful weekend. I'll see you guys next week with a new video. I'll put more videos on the screen for your enjoyment. Until then, adios.